All right, it's been a while since I've done a video. This is kind of a walkthrough of testing of the mobile app and how the interactions work with the control panel. So from startup, I'm just going to hit the reset button here to show you how quickly the system starts up. Okay, control panel, all three light up during the startup routine. It flashes until the GPS is locked. GPS is locked. And then I'm going to just go over here and bring up a serial monitor. And you can see we have, that's the normal startup routine. And then we launch the mobile app. It's already connected. There's no pairing necessary. You can see it's in standard reset mode. So if we push surf right, it goes into surf right mode. Got some debugging up on the screen there. Then we hit surf left. Surf left. Reset. Launch mode is the same as holding those two outside buttons down. You just hit the one button and it puts both tabs all the way down for getting out of the hole with wakeboarding. Some other boat manufacturers call it auto launch, or several different variations of that out there. And then reset. Brings everything back up. Also, this one has the waterproof potentiometers here. By default, if everything's to the right, that's clockwise all the way, you can see it says port extension 0, starboard 100. If I turn that dial, it's going to automatically move the actuators depending on how far I have the dial. I'm just turning, letting go, turning, letting go. It'll go down to 75%. Anything more than that and it's out of the water. And then we turn it back and it goes back to all the way up to 100. So put it in reset mode. We can try this on the right now. If we push this button here to move the tab, it just does it in small increments or bumps. Here we see 96, 92, 89. And you can see here on the display that it's right there. Reset. And right now what we're working on is fine-tuning this as well as the custom frame serial protocol, so that when you turn the dial here, we're sending all of those messages back to the mobile app about where the dial needs to be to represent any movement over here, as well as being able to, when you put it in surf mode, we're sending data back to the mobile app to be able to represent where we are at when we push buttons over here. We already have this working as a dumb remote, so it'll just send commands. It's not able to monitor what you're doing over here. It's okay, because if you are in surf mode and you're surfing along and you want to hit reset, but you switch over to the app, you can still send the reset and it's going to reset everything back. When it's in dumb remote mode, you just kind of have to hit reset to get it all back to where they're all in sync. And we're not going to be releasing this version anyway, but this wanted to show it's all working for testing purposes with the new Bluetooth chipset that's on the board over here. And as soon as we refine that messaging protocol and the interactions with the app, we'll be extending functionality of the app to do a number of other capabilities, including controlling the center tab and also defining, like writing an EEPROM, whether or not the center tab should be enabled or not. If it's not enabled, this becomes two 12-volt triggers for a light and a horn. And you can set also the wake transfer delays in EEPROMs with the configuration on the app, and a few other customizable items that we're going to be releasing over time. Thanks for watching.